Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not. We're heading to the airport in 3.5 hours. So in today's vlog, we're gonna go through what's in my carry-on luggage. We're gonna be traveling to Rome, Cinque Terre, and Florence, Italy. We are spending a day in Tuscany. So I'm really looking forward to sharing that with you guys. I will be vlogging the entire trip, so stay tuned for those travel vlogs. We're gonna be leaving from JFK Airport. The car is picking us up at approximately 7:25. Our flight leaves at about 11:30 p.m. from JFK. I do have one checked bag with all my clothes and then any full-size liquids, which I don't have a lot of. And then I've got my carry-on personal bag item where I've got my cosmetics case from Louis Vuitton with all of my makeup essentials and what have you. I've also got my laptop in there and my camera and filming equipment. So here with my makeup, you'll see I've got my personalized Mama hairbrush, and I will link everything for you guys down below. But if there's anything you guys need that I don't have linked already, just let me know. Got my retinol, I've got my sunscreen, my makeup, all my goodies, everything I could possibly need. I don't tend to wear a ton of makeup on vacation, but I do like to have options, particularly if we are going out for a nice dinner or what have you. Plus, it's been unbearably hot. There's apparently a heat wave going on in Italy, so I wanted to just make sure I had primer and all the things I might need to make sure my makeup goes on and stays put. So I've got that. In here, I've got some personal items and things that I might just need quickly while on the plane. So I've got a headband, I've got some bobby pins, and it is that time for me. So I've got some personal hygiene items for the ladies. I've got my laptop charger, my mouse, my laptop, of course, an additional cosmetics case with some of my brushes and my compact powder as well. I've got my lip liner and eyeliner here too. I love this because it's a soft washable case. I always get grossed out putting my cases on top of the bathroom vanity in hotels. So this I like because as soon as you get back from your trip, you can throw it right in the wash. I got this on Amazon. It was a whole set. And then I have my jewelry case. This is from Henry Bendel's. They are since closed down, so they don't make it anymore, but I carry this jewelry case with me everywhere, and it's got all my jewelry in here, all my go-to items. The things that are most valuable I will typically wear, but then I have my fashion jewelry in there. And that's it for this suitcase. By the way, this suitcase is from Oleata. It is amazing. It packs such a punch. So this is gonna be my personal item bag. I especially love this part here because it slides onto your carry-on or your suitcase luggage, so you don't have to worry about carrying it and it stays put. You don't have to worry about it falling. Now inside my suitcase here, I have my designer bags, all my valuables, right? So designer bags, designer shoes, my Hermès belt. So I've got my Orans, my Hermès loafers, my Chanel ballerina flats, all those things that are personal, that are pricey, high ticket items that I want to make sure I safeguard. I keep all in my carry-on because one, I don't have to worry about theft or loss, and two, I know exactly where it is. So that's in there. And then I've got my Goyard bag. I am packing my shoulder Birkin with me because I think it's just the perfect summertime bag. So I've got my little shoulder Birkin in here. Inside it's dust bag, inside the Goyard. We've got my Eris handles, handbag, Twilly there, and just some essentials. I have my Kindle with me. I have a book that I started and didn't finish. Oh, and there goes the bookmark. Let me put that in the back here. I have my Meta glasses, my Meta Kylie sunglasses. I've got just some sunglasses here. These are like my throw around summer sunglasses. I love these for like the beach or pool. These are Ryan Simkai. Love them. And they're virtually pretty affordable, super comfortable, super lightweight, and just fun for the summer. I have a few other pairs of sunglasses in here as well. I'm packing my Bottega Veneta sunglasses, which I had gotten in the winter, but with this trip in mind, I do have to clean them. But how cute are these? I thought they would be perfect for Italy. And then I've got my Celine's, which there's a part of me that feels like these are a little played out, but I do love them. I got them in Paris last year, so I feel like I need to bring them with me. Ooh, I have to clean them. They're filthy. Something I can do on the plane is just clean my sunglasses while on the flight. Cute. I thought they're very European-like, at least to me. So I figured they would be cute. So I've got that. And I love that it comes with the crossbody. That was actually what sold me on bringing them because I can just throw this on and be hands-free if I want. So I've got that and an extra charger, hand cream. Oh, I got this from Remedy. This is my hand remedy cream. Absolutely love this. This has peptide, squalene, silky reparative hand cream with shea butter, peptide, squalene, and ceramides for instant relief. And my hands tend to get very dry, especially when flying. So I've got that. I've got my portable Anchor charger. I love this because it's in the mini size. So you can just pop this out right there and then just charge your phone up. And what else do I have? My wallet, my cosmetics pouch, which I have a few items here. I feel like I can consolidate and we don't need to bring that. Yeah, I've got some additional hand cream here, my asthma pump, Band-Aids, just a few small things I might need. Some lip liners. I'm gonna bring, I think I have this one already. So I'm gonna bring my Completely Sepia by Makeup Forever because I love that color. Oh, I love this lipstick too. Definitely gonna bring that. And then I'll bring these two. I'm gonna take this lipstick out because it's proving to be a bit problematic. Use this case for this, and here we go. Constantly like editing and fixing and all the things. All right, and I will show you guys what the inside of my bag looks like so you can get an up close and personal look. So here you see I've got my cosmetics pouch. This I had made from, I believe her name is Yuka. This was actually sent to me by her, which was super sweet. She repurposes Hermès dust bags, which I think is a really nice and really great way. Oh, I just noticed this. Huh, isn't that funny? Here it's correct. Here it's not correct. That's funny. But she repurposes, I think, dust bags. Although that, I don't know what happened there with that ribbon. But yes, she repurposes dust bags and whatnot from Hermès and makes these little cosmetics pouches. I've got my Chanel cream, an extra charger. I ordered this online on Amazon because I knew I would need an extra charger. You can never have too many, especially when you're charging up lights, cameras, lights, camera, action. I have an extra light here from Amazon because you never know when you're gonna have a photo opportunity, and we're gonna be getting some content at the airport. And then I keep all this inside the dust bag, although this I'm going to take out of the dust bag. Keep just the bag in the dust bag. And then here is another one of her little, this one's correct. Another one of her little pouches. And that's it. And then my sunglasses out here. So I think we're pretty much ready. I feel like I'm constantly editing and adding and removing stuff from my bags just before we leave. It's just like my OCD kicks in. So I have my actual suitcase still open with all my stuff pretty much ready to go. I just have to close up the suitcase and just feel good about it and confident. I'm probably gonna wear my Miu Miu sneakers to the airport with my orthotic inserts because they're super comfortable, and I definitely want a pair of walking shoes while we're there. I am not sure in terms of shopping what I'm going to be bringing back. I figured I would just give you guys that quick update, share what I'm packing with me. Gosh, I can't believe we are leaving soon. And I have a call now for work, so I have to go run and take that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys are packing. What do you typically put in your carry-on suitcase that is a must-have, can't live without when you travel? I'd love to hear from you guys. Definitely stop by and say hi below. Give me a follow on Instagram as well, where I post daily. I will leave 2 additional videos for you guys at the end, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!